Hi guys, today we're gonna be making a main screen GUI in Roblox Studio. So first, what you're gonna do is you're gonna start a GUI, and you're gonna add a screen GUI, and you're gonna rename it. Main menu. Okay, so we got our main menu, and so we're gonna add our title, and so we're gonna add a text label, and we're gonna put it over in the center. And you can have it say, my game's going to be called Baseplate, so Baseplate. And so now we're going to do our properties. Everything in this is optional, but if you want, you can follow me, and then you can edit it when you're done. But like I said, everything's optional. And so we're going to do background transparency. We're going to put that all up. I'm going to make this a lot bigger so you can actually see it. And I'm going to slap it back in the middle. There. Now we have our title. And then we are going to add our play button. And I need to name this title too. Title. And then this play. So this is going to be our play button. There we go. We got in the middle. And then play. My favorite font is Fredoka 1. So I'm going to do Fredoka 1. Text scaled, I'm pretty much just going to do the same thing. I'm also going to add a UI corner because I think, in my opinion, it looks a lot nicer. Make this play button a bit bigger. I'm going to slap it down there. Background color. You don't have a background color, you have to do background color 3. And I'm going to have it be green. You can have it be any color you want. And now we have our play button, which is not scripted yet, but that's okay. And so we're gonna duplicate this. Duplicate is Control D. I'm just gonna do it to show you guys, and because I forgot. And I'm gonna name that credits. So you can change the color if you want. I just like it all being green. And we're gonna make the credits frame. I'm gonna rename this credits, and then we're gonna add a frame into it. And name the credits frame after you finish, of course. I like my credits like kind of slim. Yeah. So I'm gonna add a UI corner into it, and name this credits frame. And so we got our credits frame. We're gonna add our title into it. Credits. Text scaled. I'm gonna add that. Where is it? Here it is. And then we'll set the font to Fredoka 1. We're gonna go to background transparency and set that to 1. So now we got that. And we're gonna name this credits title. And so now we're gonna duplicate this with Control D, like I told you guys. We're gonna rename this whatever your username is. I'm gonna 22088 because that's my Roblox username. If you want, you can also add like a little thing here so it shows you who are the scripters, who are like the builders. Can be anything you want, like I said. Domino 22088. Domino 22088. So we got that. And just so it looks a bit nicer, I'm gonna say invisible guy, because he's not real. We're just gonna say he's invisible. I'm gonna turn that down. There, we now have our credits frame. We do need to add one more thing, sorry. So we're gonna add a text button, and we're gonna make that a square. 50 times 50. Okay, and so if you hold down Control, you can scale it. No, sorry about that, guys. If you hold down Shift, you can scale it perfectly. I'm gonna set that in the corner. I'm just gonna say X for Delta 1. Delta 1. Text scaled. Background transparent. No, we're not gonna change the background transparency. But I'm gonna change the background color. And I'm obviously gonna add that UI corner. And so now we have everything here done. Well, actually, we do need to add one more thing. This is very quick. We're gonna add a blur effect. So this is completely optional too. If you want, you can have a frame behind it, and you can have that disappear. If you want, you can add a frame into this instead of a blur if you like that better. But I like blurs more, and we're gonna rename this starter blur, I guess. I should name that main menu blur, but I'm just gonna name it that because I keep forgetting what the title of the video is. And so I'm gonna add a local script into it. Local script. And one last thing, we're gonna so you see enable on here, we're gonna check that off. And same for starter blur. And so we're first gonna get our blur, local blur equals game dot lighting dot starter blur, and we say blur dot enable equals true, and we're gonna say local GUI equals script dot parent, and we're going to say GUI dot enabled equals true, and set local play equals GUI dot play, no, not parent, play, and we're gonna say play dot. Okay, we're gonna do the events later, and we're gonna say local credits equals GUI dot credits. I'm gonna say local credits frame equals credits dot credits frame. I'm gonna say local exit equals we forgot to name this. Exit equals credits frame dot exit. Okay, just to check if that is it. Data. Oh no, that's mine. This one is it, if I'm right. No, I'm sorry. I was wrong. I keep forgetting all of these things for this tutorial. I don't understand what the heck happened. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to name that again. Exit. I'm just gonna hope that's exit. I can fix it later. Alexa, stop. Sorry about that. We're going to say, well, actually, I think that's it. Yeah, that is it. And then we're gonna say, now we're gonna do our events. And I'm gonna say play dot activated, colon, connect, function, parentheses, enter. And I'm gonna say GUI dot enabled equals false. And we're gonna say blur dot enabled equals false. And yeah, that actually is it. Now for the credits, we're gonna say credits dot activated colon connect function parentheses enter. Okay, so now we're gonna say credits frame dot visible equals true. And yeah, I'm gonna say exit dot. Okay, I did the wrong one. Exit is actually this is exit. This is apparently exit dot active. Bro, what? Hold on. Exit dot activated. What? Hold on, guys. Let me see. Dude, I'm an idiot. I'm an actual idiot. I'm an actual idiot. These were two text labels, and this was the exit button the entire time. And say that is down to 0 edit. And this is invisible guy. And I'm going to rename this to exit. And say exit is equal to exit. Okay. Now we should have a thing called activated. There we go. Colon connect function parentheses enter. So now that we got that working, we can just say credits frame dot visible equals false. Now I'm gonna test it. And seems all working. Here I'm gonna do one thing real quick. We're going to go to credits frame dot visible equals. So now we should have our base plate. If you guys enjoyed this, please make sure to like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.